Fuck, he failed me. The guardsman let the warbird in, but he's tagged up. He's tagged up. That's somebody's warbird. That clearly a veteran of the skies. Give him some fuel. Not too much. I don't know if pigeons really make too much. A lot of bread. Bucky ain't bothering. He knows who he is. Seen his badges. Well, I don't want you going in my milk box, do I, bud? Yeah, I'm talking to you. And he's eating it. I'll give you that snap, and he's eating it. Fat lazy guardsman. Here, thud. Pick at that for a minute. Sit. It's just cleaned up after you now, General. That weren't for you. Don't you start stomping around these, mate. Hello, baby. Well done on keeping camp secure. True hero of the Imperium. Return to your masters. Sure your HQ's wondering where you are.